Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design onboarding screens here in Stitch. Okay, so first up, go ahead over to stitch.withgoogle.com. And in here, we would need to use a clear specific text prompts to guide the AI right here. So go ahead and select your preferred model. I'm just going to leave it to Gemini 3 Pro right here. So should it be an app or a web design? Okay. In the prompt box right here, describe the onboarding flow you envision. Okay. The key is to be specific about the content and structure of each screen. Now, I have here a sample prompt. Okay. Mobile onboarding, or create a mobile onboarding for a language learning app. Okay. It says here mobile onboarding. So let's just go ahead and select app or mobile app. 3 screens. Screen 1, welcome screen with sign up and login buttons. 2 or screen 2 screens to select a native language from a list. Okay. Screen 3 right here is to choose learning goals. Okay. And use a bright, engaging color palette, and it includes a project indicator at the top. So let's just go ahead and click on generate. Okay. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and add in some reference just by clicking on the plus sign right here or at the prompt section, and you will be able to upload wireframes or image references. Okay. So let's just wait for it to load. All right. As you can see here, we now have the initial design. It says here, the design have been generated for your language learning app onboarding. Okay. It says here we have the welcome screen, as what we have said earlier, the select native language, the choose learning goals, and use a bright, engaging color palette, and include a progress indicator at the top. All right. And there you have it. That's how you design onboarding screens here in Stitch. Now, if you want to add in some more, maybe you don't like the colors, you can go ahead and change it per stage right here. Click on edit theme. You can go ahead and choose light, change the color palette, and just hit on apply theme. Do the same right here. Okay. Light. There you go. So just wait for it. And there you have it. Okay. If you want to add in some more stages, just ask Stitch right here. Or if you want to edit specific page, so hover over it, click on edit right here, add to chat. It will be right here. So Stitch right here will just focus on this specific page. Okay. Add a checkbox that will accept FAQ, something like that. And you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.